Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu Rasulillah Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. First things first, my courtesy and respect to our university dignitaries, headed by our university president, Professor Sama G. Dilna. To our college dean of the College of Islamic Studies, Dr. Abdul Wahid K. Hashim. To our Board of Regents, Ustad Saudi Abu Bakar. To our Senate President, Honorable Adolfo Christopher Nemes. To our LSC advisor and also the college chairperson, Ma'am Siti Faricia D. Magabisa Mais. To our esteemed faculty and staff, candidates for graduate, my fellow student, outgoing and incoming officers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Standing here in front of you is a truly an honor and privilege. I remember the last time I was standing in the same spot where the emotions are overflowing. I was really in shock moment when I got to know that I will be the next governor. It was really a dying moment na hindi ko alam kung tatanggapin ko ba o hindi. Kasi there are many things keep running in my mind. Ang dami kong naiisip na what if? So I seek guidance from Allah that if I am fit to this position, please guide me to say yes. And Alhamdulillah, dahil Allah really guided me, not just to the moment I say yes, but also throughout the journey. Now, as my time as your college governor comes to an end, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude for the privilege of serving you. It has been an honor to work alongside such an incredible group of individuals, and I am grateful for the memories we have shared. With this, let me give my gratitude to this following group and individuals that really took part of who I was and who I am today. Firstly, to our esteemed faculty, thank you for the trust, opportunity you instilled to me, for giving me the authority to lead and give the best service I can. Alam ko how you really work hard and fought for me back then, just to ensure that I'll be the next governor. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yun, yung efforts and support ninyo. As I hear the backstory on how you really make an effort to fight for me, without me even knowing, it was really a sense of genuine love and care. Sobra kong naramdaman yung tiwala at sa paniniwalang may potential din pala ako. Especially to our deans, to the former dean, Sir Hatta B. Bilon, and to our dean, Dr. Abdul Wahid K. Hashim, who stand as our abi in Islamic department. Shukran for the trust, love, and support na ipinaramdam ninyo sa akin. This journey wouldn't be possible without your blessings. Kaya sobra ko kayong pinapasalamatan. Next, to my advisor, my critic, teacher, and my mentor, Ma'am Far. Thank you for unending learnings you instilled in me. And the rest of the officers, thank you. Truly, you are so amazing woman. Dahil nakakayanan mong i-handle lahat. From the beginning up to the end. You're always there to give your support and expertise. You may not know this, but deep in my heart, I really appreciate you and forever grateful for the learnings and for the opportunities that shaped me. I did all of this because you believe in me, beyond from how I believe in myself. Alam kong nainis kayo sa akin noong unang araw ko pa lamang bilang officer. Sa kadahilanang mayroon din akong pagkukulang noon. Kung maaalala niyo noong dumating ang Malaysians sa airport. So, yung Indonesia pala. Nung dumating yung Indonesia doon ko narinig mismo kay Ma'am Far na nasabihan niya ako ng palpak. Pero hindi ko yun siya ikinagalit. But yun yung dahilan kung papaano ko i-pursue kung ano yung vision ko sa ating department. At sa Administration 2023-2024, sa lahat ng aking officers, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Sana sa mga huling sandaling ito ay hindi nating makakalimutan yung pinagdaanan natin ng mga pagsubok. Pero sabi nga nila, ang Islamic Studies ay palaban. Pinanindigan natin ang katagang iyon at sana maging inspirasyon natin lahat kung ano man ang ating natutunan sa loob ng isang taon bilang officers. And also to my executive secretary who really stand by my side through ups and downs, who shared stress with, who I always run whenever I need something about written works. Sa one call away, sa kalagitnaan ng gabi, nasasagot pa rin ang tawag ko. Thank you for your dedication, hard work, trust, and patience. Ikaw ang nagsilbing boses ko every time na nasa kalagitnaan ako ng counseling or sa interview, especially sa OSAS. Lagi mo akong sinasalo every time na nabablanko ako. Ikaw yung secretary na all around. You stay and never leave me throughout this journey. Naalala ko pa nung nagpaplano pa lang akong tumakbo as a governor. At sabi mo sa akin, gusto mong umalis at wag na lamang mag-officer kasi pagod ka na at mayroon ka pang mga organization. But I told you to stay and join me to run this administration. You were hesitant at first, but soon, you finally said yes. At talagang kinakabahan tayo noon. Kasi we both are new sa mga high position. But look what we have done. I remember you once told me na magagatainan, salig ka man. And yet, we're here na kinaya nga natin talaga. Again, thank you very much, my Executive Secretary Norain Abdul Manan Ali. Without you, this journey wouldn't be pretty as it is. Thank you for your being the hands of the team. Dadan mamuko sa laka para mapaumbal sa letter or caption. Siyempre, katulad mo rin na nagpapasalamat din ako sa iyo, Shamalin. Nakatagasalo ko in terms of financial. Although nagkukulang man ako sa mga bayarin ko sa school or sa organization na sa mga program, pero nandiyan si Siamalin sa tabi ko para pautangin ako, hindi bigyan. She's always been there para isupport ang administration na ito whenever it's in crisis. Aside from being a staff, siya rin ang naging logistic officer dahil lagi siya ang nakatoka sa marketing, tagahawak ng collection ng mga resibo kapag may bayarin ang mga kaklase namin sa 4th year. She also served as my clock, who always remind me about the things that I need to do whenever there is a program and a task. I can say that I never fail to believe what has Noraid said before na makadtabang ka sa administration na ito. Here's my unending gratitude to these people who really stand and fight with me throughout this journey. For indeed, having you is one of the miracle blessings I've received from Allah. I am forever grateful for the moments we've shared that I know will just be a remembrance for each of us. Your presence really lightened my day. Your voices boosted my energy. And your cooperation became my power to stand up and fight again, aim again for better. I can't really recall the first time we met, for I know it was so recent. But through the unending gathering and everyday bond, I feel like I've been with you for a long years. Again, thank you for all unwavering support and trust you gave me. Please keep in mind that whenever this life takes us, you all have a special space in my heart, my Lalab fam. We may be different in levels. I'm your senior and you're my junior. But you made me feel like I'm more a senior of yours. That I am your brothers in deen. Since that day, I start to put my trust in you. You never make me feel wrong, but rather you never fails to amaze me with your skills, talents, and dedication to make things possible. As a bit farewell, I want to take a moment to reflect on the journey we've been on together. We've faced challenges, celebrate achievement, and grown both individually as a classmates and colleagues. Through it all, your support, resilience, and determination have inspired me. At sa mga new elected officers naman ng College of Islamic Studies, sana maging matatag kayo sa lahat ng mga pagsubok na inyong pagdadaanan. Patuloy lang kayo sa inyong mga ginagawa para sa ating departamento. At sa sana patuloy kayong lalaban kahit na ano paman ang darating na mga pagsubok sa inyong bilang isang officer. At sana yung mga gamit na aking iiwan sa inyong office ay inyong iingatan at hindi masisira dahil ang lahat ng iyan ay mayroong mga kwento kung papaano natin yan nakuha at nakikita rin naman nating lahat na hindi na tayo nang hihiram pa ng gamit. Meron tayong mga program dahil mayroon na tayong gamit, kaya pakikiingatan ninyo. So kung ano man yung makikita ninyo sa inyong office, sa mga elected officers, yung lahat ng gamit ay ipinagkakatiwala ng outgoing officers sa inyo. At sana tatagalin yun sa inyong lahat. Yun yung i-challenge ko sa newly elected officers. And the last, I am grateful, deeply grateful to Allah for His endless blessings and mercy. Every breath I take and every moment I experience is a gift from Him. In times of joy and in times of hardship, His wisdom and guidance have been my anchor. I thank Allah for the help, love that surround me. His compassion and forgiveness are boundless, and I strive to remember His grace in all aspects of my life. Alhamdulillah. Again, this has been Alimuddin Kasan Amelia, your governor for school year 2023-2024 is now signing off.
Shukran, Jazakallah, our former governor.